Hey guys, it's CrystalRenèe here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. In this video, I will be doing an unboxing of one of my wishlist plants from one of my fellow YouTubers by the name of Gerard'S Horticulture. If you're into unboxing or these type of videos, then stay tuned. Hey guys, it's CrystalRenèe here and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, thanks for joining. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a fellow YouTuber by the name of Gerard'S Horticulture. And I'm excited because he has blessed me with one of my wishlist plants. I actually watched one of his videos and he mentioned he was going to do a purge. I reached out to him and I offered to do a swap at first, but turns out that it was just best if I purchased the plant from him, which I did. And I've been waiting patiently for it to get here, and it has finally arrived. Before I open it, let me say this to you all. I just started ordering plants online and things like that, but I order online a lot from Amazon and other places, but plants have been new to me as far as ordering online. But let me tell you about Gerard. I've never known anybody to send you pictures of the package process. This guy gets an A+ as far as shipping. He mails me pictures showing me the packaging process and him basically shipping the package off. Now, is that great customer service or what? So I kind of already know how well he packaged this plant. So if you're looking to get a plant from Gerard due to his purge, I say go for it. And it came in a timely fashion, so I'm excited about that. But let me quit rambling and get to this package, guys. So, I don't want to share with you all my address, which is on the back end of this box. But this is the box that he shipped it in. So, I'm going to bring it down a little. I'm going to open it from here. This is like the moment we've all been waiting for, or I've been waiting for. And you know what is so cool about this is that I watched Gerard's channel and it is amazing. He has a beautiful family, a beautiful collection, and a beautiful personality. And he is my plant brother. So, with that being said, I think it's kind of cool to receive my first wishlist plant from a fellow plant friend. So, it's just fitting. From your plant friend's home to your home. I finally got this box open. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Can't really tell what it is yet, guys, because all you see is packaging. So I'm gonna lay it flat. I'm gonna pull out protection. There's more protection down in here, but I was able to just slide the plant out. I think this is the bottom. So yeah. And And that's what it looked like inside. He had some more protection down in there with the plant wrapped in it. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Can you guys tell what it is yet? So I'm going to remove the tape. Probably gonna cut it. Okay, the tape is removed. And I'm going to, oh, there's tape down here as well. So I'm gonna untape that. And you guys, I am so excited. Ta-da! Can you tell what it is? So Rhaptophoria tetrasperma. It's a Rhaptophoria tetrasperma. And I like it. Separate these leaves a little bit. This leaf is a little damaged. It's gonna just come off. It's just hanging. So I'm just going to remove that one. Aww. But that's known to happen with shipping. The loss of a leaf or two. But yes, let's check out the roots. She has it wrapped in a plastic bag. And the paper towel is still moist, so he dampened the paper towel. And this is the root ball on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But that is it. I'm going to get her all potted up right away. This is what she looks like, guys. My first wish list plant. Thanks, Gerard. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna pot it up right away. So I've got 2 pots here, 2 different sizes. Let's see which pot. I think if I put it in this pot, it would fit well, but I think it will outgrow it quickly. But I think if I put it in this pot, it would have much room to grow. And if it's anything like my Monstera deliciosa, I probably should pot it in the larger one because, but this one has smaller roots. I'm looking at it. Looks like they're smaller roots. Now this is what it looks like. It has some, you know how sometimes the plant has like some tissue paper or something in it. Okay. So I think I'm going to put it in the bigger pot. So we're going to use that. Set this one aside. And I have my box of soil over here. Let me set it up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I'm just gonna pot it up. I already have some soil here already mixed up. A mixture that I made has a little perlite in it, has a little cactus soil, has a little bit of orchid bark. So it's going to be well drained. Oh guys, I'm so excited. I'm sorry I get silent when I'm talking because I like to relax when I repot. I be having a lot going on in my head and I be trying to get my babies as comfortable as possible in the soil. I know this plant is blocking my face, but that's fine. Because it can do that. You can do that, Mr. Tetrasperma. Because you're my first wish list, baby. Well, the first wish list plant that was actually made an appearance on my wish list video, I should say. I want to get it nice and firm. I mean, you know, in the center. I'm going to put a little bit more around the top of it to keep it in place. I might have to stake her up. So I think the bigger pot was the best idea. Okay, now she's all potted up. Look at that. I love it. I can't believe I'm a plant mom of a Tetrasperma now. So excited. I'm just going to water it just a little bit because I don't want it to really go into shock or anything. So just a little bit so that it can stay. And I want it to acclimate to my home. But I had to get her into soil right away. I didn't want to leave her hanging out that long anymore. It's been through a lot coming all the way from New Jersey to Arizona, so had to get her potted up right away, and she's looking good. Or he. Why is my plants always she's? I don't know. It's just a habit. But thank you, Gerard. You made my day. I'm so happy with it. I love it. And I can't wait to see this baby flourish and become a full-grown adult. Bitch, yeah. I love it, guys. Just getting a little dirt off its leaves. Yeah. I'm gonna find a little spot for it so it can get plenty of sun and it can live its best life. Well, that is it for my unboxing, guys. If you haven't subscribed to Gerard'S Horticulture, please do, because you will not be disappointed with his content or just with him as a person. He's awesome. So check him out. Leave a comment below, and if you have a tetrasperma already in your collection, or if it's a wish list plant of yours, leave it in the comments below. And yeah, and until next time, happy growing, guys. Bye. Hey, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. And until next time, happy growing.